Today I have this medium-sized chicken. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it up and I'm going to bake it, and I'll show you how I normally do my baked chicken. I'm going to make this a comfort meal. It's going to be kind of a barbecue flavor with some jerk marinade on it also. But it's going to be lovely. So with me, I'm going to leave the skin on. So after we cut these up, we're going to wash them off with a bit of lime or some vinegar. So I'll be using some cider vinegar over this. Just give them a bit of wash. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it over the top and run some water over it and wash it off. So in here I have some thyme, black pepper, and chili flakes. So let's go ahead, sprinkle them over. And then this is some all-purpose season. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to combine these together, season, get the seasoning. So with this, I'm going to pour some yogurt over this. And this yogurt, I mix it with a bit of cinnamon and some honey over this. Some jerk marinade, which I made, about a handful. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pour this, put this straight in the oven. So I have my baking tray. So I just put some oil over on this. I'll be adding some extra seasoning just on the bottom. Go ahead, put your chicken down. Make sure to preheat your oven to about 200 degrees. So now I'm going to put them straight in the oven. And each time when you're taking it out the oven, when you're checking it, just try to check it often as possible. And we'll be adding some sauce also. I'll be making a sauce which I'm going to use to baste the chicken. Here I have some jerk marinade, a bit of honey. I'm adding some ketchup in this. So what I'm doing here now, just remove this from the oven. So I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Take it out and give it a bit of brush. And after we do that, we're going to put it back in the oven and repeat the same process again. So now the chicken is out and this is the finished product. Just going to go ahead and plate it up. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.